Okay, so today we're going to do some butterfly catching. You need a few things. Got your butterfly net. Some of them have a shorter handle. That should be fine. Your butterfly tongs. They should have at least a flat end so that you don't hurt the butterfly's wings. A business card of some sort, or something that's rigid but small that you can slip between the wings. I'll show you how to do that, and then it won't stress the butterfly. You need your Sharpie marker that we're going to use to mark the butterflies. We're using a purple one today because I don't want you guys to mix up the butterflies that I marked today with the ones you mark in a couple of weeks. So you'll be using black. It'll show up better, but we'll try that for the day. Also, you got your fancy sun hat, see, so that you don't get sunburn, and everybody knows that you are out butterfly catching. All right. Now, when you catch your butterfly, like you can just chase it down, but you're going to be much less likely to catch it. You're going to be swinging around. They're likely to get away. What you take when you catch a butterfly, especially if it's on grass like this or flowers, they're going to generally fly up. So what you're going to want to do is hold the net over the butterfly with holding this up in your hand, and you can, if you catch it, whoops, oh, let it go. All right, we'll try that again in a sec. Hold your net up. You can put it down on the butterfly. The butterfly will often fly up, and when you get it in the net, you'll fold it over like this, and then the butterfly can't get away. All right, to where you're going to mark it. You have your pen. You want to make sure your pen is working first, because it'll often get clogged up by the butterfly scale. So you always, before you mark it, you always make a little line on your business card. Then what you're going to do is get the butterfly so that its wings are not flapping. And then you're going to slide the business card between the wings. If you have someone helping, socially distanced with masks properly, but if you have someone helping, then they can hand you things. So you get the business card on both sides. Make sure you're not folding over the wings. And then you grab your butterfly with the tongs on both sides, outside of the wings, holding onto the business card. Go by the head, slide the business card up between the wings. Then you hold them with the tongs. All right, now this one is immobilized. Now I'm going to mark it. Remember the left side, this is a 1 spot, 1, 2, 4, 7, 10, 20, 40, 70. So if I wanted to mark like 72, I would do a 7 down here and a 2 up here. If instead it were 73, 1 plus 2 is 3, so I'd mark it there. All right, once I've marked it, I let the butterfly go, and it flies away healthy. That's all. So you see, I pulled the net so that it got the butterfly into the middle of the net, and then I folded the net over so the butterfly can't get out. Now I can set it down. It's easier with larger butterflies. I have my tongs, I have my business card, whoops, and my pen. It's best if you can work in the middle of your net. This one's getting far up near the end, which is going to be hard to work with, so I got to bring it down a little bit. I can bring the net over, and I'm going to slip the business card between the wings. Got it there. Now I don't have it under the bottom wings yet, which is not ideal. So I want to slip between the wings like that. The goal with the tongs is to keep the butterfly from flapping its wings and obviously to hold the butterfly, but also you're trying to keep the butterfly from flapping and tearing its wings. So you want to hold it relatively solid. Now monarchs, which this is, will hold onto the net very tightly, and so it can be hard to get the monarch out. Now I've also caught the net with my tongs. Holding on there. So again, this is the 10 side. The 1 side is the other one. Okay. And here I could take it out. I would just mark it. I would take my picture here. I would show you how to do it, but I don't have my phone because I'm using it to film. Anyway, I take a picture, I identify the site, and then let the butterfly go. All right. When you go through grass like this, I'll often walk and hold the net with my left hand, just so it doesn't drag and get burrs and stuff in it. All right, so with the little blues, you're not going to be able to mark the butterfly with the, or you're not going to be able to use the business card because their wings are too small. So we're not going to make a full number mark. We're just going to make a mark to know that we've captured this one. And so you might be able to see it right here. Whoops, where'd it go? Oh yeah, there it is. Whoops, so I don't want to let it out. What I've done is I've just caught it enough. I'm not squishing its body. It's important not to touch the body because they're very easy to squish. But I'm just keeping it from flapping while I get the tongs ready. And I've caught it. And now I'm going to make a mark on the left side, the butterfly's left, just to say we've captured that butterfly. And there it goes.